Hi guys, it's Kayla from Salt Beauty Bar, and I'm going to show you today how we do our signature bubble braid. So now I'm taking my products, and these are the products that I love to use. So we're taking the Amika Un.Done Texture Spray, the Amika Fluxus Gentle Hold Hairspray, and the Wow Extra Shine Spray. And I like to add this little detail at the end just to kind of hide any elastics. So right here, you're going to part the hair. You do it to a low ponytail or wherever you want to do, and then wrap the hair around the ponytail to hide the ponytail. Now I'm taking the ponytail and sectioning it into two separate parts, and then I'm going to take a clear hair tie. You're going to want a lot of bobby pins and mostly clear hair ties. You're going to wrap it around the bottom, sectioning off, and then you're going to drop down the top section and do the same thing to the top. With the bubble braid, it's just very important to make sure that your sections are nice and clean and that you elastic things so you can easily pull the braid through, which is really going to help, and also to pull it apart. So that now you have them both tied like that. Now what you're going to do is separate the little in between the elastic. You're going to separate the hair in half, and you're going to pull the bottom through the top, okay? And it's literally just repeating the same motion all the way through down to the end. So now you're only going to be using elastics on the top layer. So you're going to elastic it again, separate the hair in between the two elastics, and pull the bottom ponytail through the top. And that is literally it, you guys. You're going to just keep doing that all the way down until you run out of hair. And then what you're going to do as well is make sure you're always pulling it apart. What makes the bubble braids so fun is when they're super big and pulled apart, and it just makes the hair look like so much more full than it actually is. And that's really what attracts people to the bubble braids. So again, just sectioning that top again, pulling it through the bottom, and repeating the process all the way down, and always making sure that I use the elastics and pull them apart. And then also too, like the Un.Done Texture Spray gives the hair that grit and texture to make it pull apart really nicely. And then the Fluxus is a very gentle hold hairspray that controls frizz. And then again, the Shine Spray just seals the deal. So again, pulling the bottom part through, and that is the final strand. So now what you can do too is you can pull, after you pull it apart, you can leave the hair decorative over the ponytail, or you can always add like that little gold accent piece that you have too. Depending on what you want to do, you have, see that all the elastics are covered. If you want to add, this is a great time to add the hairspray in to make sure the hair is in control, there's no frizz. And then now we're going to grab the Shine Spray and really just add that. It really adds dimension and shine to the hair, and it really catches the light and just adds a finishing touch to the look. So now again, just kind of maneuvering it to where I want it to stay, adding a nice shine to it, and then you can leave it like that, or you can add the little gold cuff to the bottom, or wherever you would like to add it, just to kind of tie it in, like make it more like an accessory. But yeah guys, that's it, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and please show us what you come up with. Bye guys.